Hey guys, Merry Christmas. It's me, Jason Hogan, once again. Today I got a brand new video for you this time. I will be unboxing Despicable Me 2. But that's not all that I will be unboxing today. I will also be unboxing the first Despicable Me since I did not own it back in 2010. But now that I actually have both of these movies, I am extremely excited to see the second movie, since I have not seen the second movie in theaters. So, yeah, first I will be unboxing the first one. Oh, come on, no. Just ignore that. Aha, yes. Okay, as you can see, the front as always, the back, the little blurb, okay, and now for the inside. Okay, this will me, okay, moving on, and now we actually have Despicable Me 2. Okay, sliding it out with that little cardboard box. Okay. Maybe this would have been a little bit harder. Okay, I'm gonna get a pencil to do this. Obviously, I'm having a tough time. Oh, please tell me that worked. Okay, it did. Come on. Oh, great. Come on. There we go. The front, as always. The back. Now for the inside. A little advertisement. Minion Rush. Yeah. Oh, more advertisement. Okay. And yeah, that's actually pretty much wraps up the video. Not really much else to say. I think I already just ignore the people in the background. Those are just my mom and my brother. So yeah, that's the unboxing. Again, I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope you are having a fun time with all your family and friends. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. And a few things that are happening in the future for the channel. There is one more video coming out today, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the flip side.